Yeah, hi everyone. I am Raghavendra Kulkarni. I am a PMO professional at Accenture. I am happy to share that recently I have completed my PMP certification. So I extend my sincere gratitude to ProThoughts Training Center for their exceptional training program. Their invaluable training materials and highly skilled trainers played a very crucial role in my success. The additional PMP materials and mock exams provided by ProThoughts were invaluable in preparing actual exams. So we can say also ProThoughts offers ongoing support, including exam simulations and concept clarification and preparing PMP PMI application. So all things they supported a lot. And if you are considering PMP exam, so I recommend ProThoughts as your pre-training partner. So thank you once again, ProThoughts, for the wonderful training journey. Thank you so much.